'Cause it's raining men, fat bitches. Sorry, I really like the part in that song. Hi, you guys. What's up? Hang on. Uno momento. Today's Thursday. Kim? Oh, my eye is bad. Shit. My brother done hit me in the eye with his key, y'all. Little fucker. My face is breaking out in some stress. I don't really listen to rap that much. Rihanna's not really rap, she's more of a pop, I guess. But I really like this song. I don't know why. So I called Kim at 9 this morning and I was like, happy birthday, bitch! It was really funny. Cause she's like, yes, to all my lovely YouTube people.
Then my butt's gonna be wet. Sorry, you guys. I didn't hear that.
Guess who's 18? I'm the youngest out of the friend group. Better back that ass up.
That felt good.
Really good. So your pants fit better?
Yep, they sure do. Woo! I gotta text everybody back and be like, thanks for the birthday wishes.
Birthday witches?
Yes, birthday wishes. Okay, I want y'all's opinion. Sorry. How bad does this look?
You got that glare
Yeah,
on it.
I know. I can't hold it still.
Hang on. Let's try this again. What do y'all think about this?
So you
Let's try
can't
this again. There we go. You can't really see it because I have a shitty ass web camera. This is what she looks like.
I do not. It looks like I got high. Sorry.
But today's Thursday, then tomorrow's Friday, and Saturday and Sunday come afterwards, you guys.
Friday, Friday. Gotta get down on Friday. Does that sound like her? When I
I call that rolling our thing. Who do you fixing the big? Fish in the sea.
Hey, if anybody wants to hook up, post on here.
Microscopes, dome 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 dome. Dome dome dome.
Of course, nobody
TV
can get with her.
production company. To hit Mr. League.
I'm trying to tell them something. Okay.
Hang on, wait. Pause. Feed me the catfishes. Cause it's a raining men. Fat bitches.
No. Anyway, you can't get with her, but you can get with me. I'm single. Boys and girls. Free to anyone. Not free, technically.
Ya hoe.
I am not.
Ya hoe.
I am not.
Really not. Really not. I'm more of a hoe than her. Oh shit. Hey.
Are these glasses too big for my face too? People have been making fun of me because of these. I'm just saying.
I bought her those because of mine. Hang on. Let me show y'all mine. Oh, they're on top of my head. Derp. I bought her those because of mine. She really liked mine, but mine had the studs on the side. But these are smaller than the ones that she had.
It'd be okay.
But
I like them. Okay, we're good. I don't like being like all okay.
This is my bestie. Oh, you.
She just got moose killed.
You licked my pimple.
Ew, sick.
What's that smell, Kim?
Can we give your cat some peanut butter?
No. We could give it to Pris. Sherbert's too old for that. Hang on, we're gonna go give my cat some peanut butter, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna film it for y'all. Bye.